Anil Narsinghe. Friends, welcome to this channel. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Friends, in this video, we are going to show you the experiment, that is the spread plate method for isolation of microorganisms in pure culture. So friends, in previous video we have seen the pour plate method, and now we're going to see the spread plate method. So friends, spread plate method, it is also one of the pure culture technique which is also used for the isolation of microorganisms in the pure culture. And this technique, spread plate method, it is one of the easier method to perform. It is also used to enumerate the microorganisms in the given sample, and in this method the serial dilutions of that culture or the suspension they are prepared, and that serially diluted mixed culture or that sample, then we have to culture it, we have to spread it onto the surface of the nutrient agar plate, and then we can count the number of colonies. The requirement, it is the same as we have seen in the pour plate method. Requirements for the spread plate technique, it is we should have the serial dilutions of that sample. So we have to arrange the tubes in a test tube stand. Then we should have L-shaped glass spreader. So this is the L-shaped glass spreader which is used for spreading that sample onto the surface of nutrient agar plate. And that L-shaped glass spreader we have to dip into the 95% ethanol. Then we should have the sterile molten cool nutrient agar, Bunsen burner. So in between the Bunsen burner we have to carry out the practical, and then we have to use the sterile petri dishes. With the help of micro pipette we have to take this sample. So flame the neck of the test tube, take 1 ml of the sample, reflame the test tube, keep it aside, and then that 1 ml sample we have to add it into this test tube containing 9 ml of sterile distilled water. Then we have to mix it by shaking so as to obtain a uniform suspension of microorganism. And this is the dilution. The test tube, it is labeled with 10 to the power of -1 dilution, and in this way we have to make the dilutions up to 10 to the power of -6. So we have to do the same procedures with all the dilutions until we get the dilution of 10 to the power of -6, and then we have to inoculate that each dilution into the petri dish which is containing the nutrient agar, and for each dilutions we have to make the separate petri dish which is containing the sterile nutrient agar. So we have to take this sterile molten cool nutrient agar, and then we have to remove the cotton plug, flame the neck of the conical flask, pour this nutrient agar into the petri dish, reflame the neck of the conical flask, keep it aside, and we have added this sterile molten cool nutrient agar into the petri dish, and then we have to keep the petri dish, allow it to solidify, and after solidification then we have to inoculate each of the dilution. We have to spread that dilution onto the surface of the nutrient agar plate. Now the plate is solidified, and after solidification of that plate we have to take each of the dilution, and that dilution we have to add it into the surface of the nutrient agar plate, and we have to spread that dilution. Okay, so we'll take the first dilution, that is 10 to the power of -1 dilution. Remove the cotton plug, flame the neck of the test tube, carry out the practical aseptically, take aseptically 0.01 ml of that dilution, that is 10 to the power of -1 dilution, and we have to inoculate it into the center of the petri dish. So we have inoculated into the center of the petri dish onto the surface of the nutrient agar, and then we have to take the L-shaped glass spreader. So this L-shaped glass spreader, it is immersed into this into the beaker which is containing 95% ethanol. Then we have to dip it into the 95% ethanol, drain the alcohol, and we have to hold it, we have to flame it onto the flame, allow the alcohol to burn off, and this is the glass, glass spreader, it is sterilized, and then allow it to cool for few seconds, and after cooling, already we have inoculated 0.1 ml of the dilution 10 to the power of -1 dilution onto the surface of the nutrient agar plate, and then aseptically we have to gently touch the surface of this glass spreader to the agar surface, and we have to spread that culture evenly on the surface of the nutrient agar, and we have to spread it back and forth. Then we have to close the lid, then this glass spreader, then we have to place into the 95% ethanol, and we have spreaded that diluted culture, and we have to keep these plates as it is into the incubator for incubation at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours, and we'll keep this plate for incubation, and after incubation the growth of the microorganisms will appear onto the surface of the nutrient agar plate, and then we have to count the number of colonies, and this spread plate method, it is one of the pure culture method. It is used for isolation of microorganisms, and we can also enumerate the number of microbial cells present in that sample, and this is also one of the most important method. So this plate, we don't have to invert the plate, and we have to keep this plate as it is into the incubator for incubation at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours, and after incubation on to the next day we will get the colonies. We have incubated the plate into the incubator, and after incubation we have seen the colonies, so growth it is form onto the surface of these nutrient agar, we can see the colonies. So we have to select the plate, we have to select the dilution, the plate which is containing 30 to 300 colonies, and that plate it is suitable for the counting.